Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Milda Maulidah, a student of Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. Okay, before going to our lesson, you must know about kompetensi dasar. First, membedakan fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan beberapa teks news item lisan dan tulis dengan memberi dan meminta informasi terkait berita sederhana dari koran atau radio, televisi, sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And the second is menangkap makna secara kontekstual terkait fungsi sosial, struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan teks news items lisan dan tulis dalam bentuk berita sederhana koran, radio, atau television. Tujuan pembelajaran: setelah mengikuti serangkaian kegiatan pembelajaran, siswa dapat menjelaskan fungsi sosial teks news item, menjelaskan struktur teks news item, menjelaskan makna kosakata yang terdapat dalam teks news item, menemukan informasi rinci yang terdapat dalam teks news item, dan menggunakan kalimat langsung dengan kutipan dan kalimat tidak langsung. So, check it out! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about news item. Did you ever hear or read about news item? Ya, biasanya suatu kejadian diberitakan di televisi, koran, majalah, ataupun radio. So, what is news item? News item is a text that tells an information event or newsworthy event of the day. Jadi, berita itu adalah suatu kejadian yang dipublish atau disebarkan, disiarkan, entah itu di televisi, radio, koran, ataupun majalah. And what is a social function of news item? Social function of news item is to inform the readers an important event or newsworthy event of the day. And there are three generic structure of news item. Generic structure of news item. First, main events or newsworthy events. It recounts the event in summary form. Second, elaboration or background events. They elaborate what happened, to whom, and in what circumstance. And the last is research of information. It contains comments by participants in, witnesses to, and authorities expert on the event. The example of news item such as entertainment news, business news, world news, and etc. And I would like to share you about the example of news item. Ini adalah salah satu contoh dari news item, yaitu entertainment news. Didi Petet died. Veteran actor Didi Widiatmoko, popularly known as Didi Petet, died at the age of 58 at his residence in Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, South Tangerang on Friday morning. Didi's niece Mutia Kausar said that Didi, who stared in a number of 15 and 8 seconds, collapsed and lost consciousness when attending an expo in Milan, Italy. Recently, he just arrived home on May attending the exhibition. In the city, he collapsed and lost consciousness and returned home in a wheelchair, she said. On Tuesday, Didi was taken to Bandung for treatment. Mutia said no diseases were detected, but he died on Friday. Didi's body is laid out in his residence on Jalan Bambu Apus in Sasak Tinggi, Ciputat, South Tangerang. It has yet be decided when and where he will be buried. And the last, purpose of news item. News item text is used to inform readers about events of the day which are considered newsworthy or important, or to inform the readers about newsworthy or important events of the day, to present information the readers about newsworthy or important events of the day. Okay, maybe enough here for today. Thank you. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.